Segment 1. Hi, family. Welcome. I am glad that you are here today. Please feel free to go ahead and sit wherever you feel comfortable. And first of all, my name is Angie, and I'm going to be your therapist conducting this session today. And before we get started, I just want to let you know that everything that you say here is confidential, although I am a mandated reporter, and if there is any threats of harm to self, harm to anyone else, or child abuse or elderly neglect, I do have to report that. So thank you and welcome. I'm really glad to see all of you here today. Just to let you know, this meeting will be approximately about an hour, and I just want to start out by taking a little bit of time to get to know each of you, just some of your background information. So let's go ahead and if you could, so I could start to get to know you. Dad, let's go ahead and let's start with you and tell me a little bit about yourself, where you work, how old you are. Yeah, so let's go ahead and start there today. Segment 2. Mom, Dad, I just wanted to interrupt here for a moment. It sounds like you both have different views of what some of the problems are in the family. And I want to just take a moment here, and I want to come back to this later, but I think right now the best thing would be to take a break from this discussion, and I would like to come back to it later. So if we can hear from Brother right now, and we can listen to some of what he feels as though the problems are in the family, I think that we just need to take a little break on this. Segment 3. All right, family, it looks like we are nearing the end of our session today. And I just want to take a moment and say thank you to all of you for being so vulnerable and really talking about what you all feel the family is having problems with. So I appreciate that. So I'm just wanting to talk a little bit about what your plan is for proceeding with therapy. Excuse me. I think that, if you would like to continue to have therapy, which I feel, would be very beneficial, especially with, some of the, with the problem, that you came here with, with sister and having the suicidal attempt. I think this would be very beneficial for the family to engage in being able to, really talk about some of the problems within the family. The sessions can continue on a weekly basis, and they'll be about the same time limit of about an hour. And something that I would like you to do, if you do plan on proceeding, whether you decide to proceed with me or if you choose to work with another therapist, I think it would be beneficial if you would each take a moment and write down what you feel are some of the problems, that are relating to some of the just current problems that you're having. So take some time and write out what you feel the problems are all around in the family, or what you think have been some of the other problems in the past. So again, I just want to say thank you so much for coming today, and let's go ahead and get you scheduled for next week. Thank you.